again. We're going to be testing out our brand new True Kit boat. If you've seen our previous video, we came down to the beach here and we set it up, and we weren't 100% happy because we had a lot of aeration. We couldn't get the boat to sit on its top speed. So we've done a few changes. We've changed the trim on the motor on the back, and we've also fitted some trim tabs to the motor. So let's just get it all set up here, and we'll get it in the water and have a quick spin, see what happens. This is a bit of an awkward lift, but keep your back straight. Got it off, no problems. Alright, so we'll set it up. It flops out quite easily, and the whole thing just lays out ready for inflation. Takes only minutes. Alright, for those of you that didn't see the last video, the boat's a New Zealand built True Kit. It is the 4 metre, and it's 4 metres long. They call it the True Kit 4. It's got the inflatable floor, inflatable pontoon. It's got 4 cavities, 2 on each side, and then it's got the floor as well. It's got a solid aluminium transom, which is really well built, and it's pretty easy to inflate. But we've just seen some lightning, so I'm not sure if we're hitting the water at this stage. I'll have to just have a cup of coffee while we wait for the storm to pass. Oh, that's enough pressure. Well, we had a bit of rain and the lightning looked like it started to disappear, so we opted to push on, get it pressurised, and we'll move it around to the back of the truck and fit the outboard. The outboard's relatively easy to get down. We use the spare tyre crane at the back. It seems to work really well.
Oh, I might leave my thongs up here.
I'll get it on the sand. Just launch it on the ramp.
Just launch it on the ramp. Hey? No, that's why I took my thongs off.
Ramp's not that great, is it? Just get in, get up the front.
Yep, hang on. She's slippery, Mick.
We'll give it a big push out and we'll get it past these waves.
I'm in. Wait for us to get ready. Gonna be funny. Don't slip. Stuck in that crack. Yeah. Oh, good job. I am saturated. Whew. Up there, eh?
So the setting that we had that on for that test was maximum down, so I've actually removed the pin completely on the Yamaha and it's just resting straight up on the stops at the bottom there. And the other mod I've done is put these wings on, which were hydrofoils or aerofoils, whatever they call them, which are the cheapo ones from BCF, $30 something. Put them on and they actually seem to have done the job as well, so they'll be staying, although I might have to pull them off when we're travelling to get the cover on the motor. But yeah, all over a success.